How to easily use and take advantage of Tisanji's calendar and plant cards. From the plant page, you can either search by name or use the filters in order to find the plant you're looking for. Once you've found your plant, simply click Add to Garden to add it to your garden. In order to save your garden, you must create an account, but these are free and only require an email and a password. When you add a plant to your garden, you must choose a planting strategy among the ones that are suggested. If the plant is already in place, just select In Situ. You can simply repeat the process for all the plants that you already have or that you plan to add to your garden this year. As soon as you have at least one plant in your garden, a calendar icon will appear on the sidebar to your right. In the calendar menu, you will see all the tasks for your vegetation. All that's left is to move the snowflakes in order to define the dates of the first and last frost of your region. If you don't know what those dates are, don't worry. There are hyperlinks in the video description that can help you define them. The calendar is also the place where you can modify the suggested calendar, and also identify which tasks you might want reminders for. There are also filters that allow you to click tasks that you want to see specifically. You can also see the calendar by task type, for example, all the indoor sowing, instead of the default view, which is per plant. Finally, the Tasks tab gives you an overview of all the tasks that are to be done per week. This view is very useful since it prioritizes tasks by their deadline. The same filters that were used in the calendar view can be applied here as well. That's it for the quick and easy custom-made free calendar version. However, Tisanji is much more than the possibility to receive adapted task calendars. It's very detailed plant cards covering both crop information and ecological usage, as well as culinary and medicinal properties. Most of all, it is most likely the best 2D garden drawing platform out there. The platform is ideal not only to visually represent your garden, but also for your landscaping needs, whether it be for squares or curves. All of that in a complete and flexible interface that's easy to learn.